I get a chance to come back and relive what I used to when I was a kid. Years ago, my grandparents, they had mules and stuff. They worked them and farmed with them, and I have a chance to come and do this, go on this wagon train and things like that, and it kind of brings back the memories that I used to have with my grandfolks. And just the people are real nice, and they do a great job with the event, so just got to keep coming, keep it going. We love the mules and the people, so we keep coming back year after year.
Get up in there, brother. Get up in there. Get in there. Get in there. Step up in there. Bring it up, mule in there. Come on, get it up. Chicken. Slow. Come here, slow. Slow. Come on.